Good morning, sir. SMTP means Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol is a message transfer agent. There are two MTAs and client MTA and server MTA. A client MTA at client system. This is sends mail which is received by the server. MTA at client mail server. The client mail server has client MTA which sends the mail server that MTA at receipt mail server. SMTP protocol that defines both client server on the internet of MTA. SMTP protocol is due to scenario both sender and receiver mail connected by the server WAN or LAN. SMTP protocol two times used in between first sender and its main server, second between mail client server and receiver mail server. Then architecture of SMTP. This is LAN, WAN or internet, mail server, server MIT through client MTA. This can be server MTA. Then LAN or WAN connected to the receiver. POP3 Post Office Protocol version. SMTP accomplishes the mail tasks from the client server MTA. The protocol pool is required to pull the mail from the MTA server. The receiver, we have POP protocol. The box present at the mail server, client MMA at receipt computer establishes the connection with the mail server using TCP port 110. For the connection, client MAA computer sends username and password to the mailbox. Then to access read and the mail user has to first download the mail from the mailbox on mail server to the computer. Then client and server MAA, client MMA is installed on the receipt computer. The server MAA is installed on the receipt mail server. This is the post office protocol version are required in the SMTP, and MTA is receiver from the POP3 protocol. Then it is received from the computer to the server MAA installed to the receipt mail server. This is the first download from the mail and mailbox on mail server in its computer. Then client MAA at receipt to the computer sends username and password to the mailbox. Mailbox from the present at mail server. The client MAA at receipt computer. This is the architecture of POP3. SMTP and POP3 client MTA LAN or WAL sender. Sender server MTA, then client MTA. Mail server, server MAA, server MTA. Then LAN or WAN receiver. POP3. This is the difference between SMTP POP3. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. POP3 stands for Post Office Protocol version 3. And SMTP is also known as push protocol. POP3 is also known as POP protocol. The port number of SMTP is 25. The port number of POP3 is 1110. Thank you.